Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the receiving iPhone is ready. Update iOS and Apple Music, and sign out of any other Apple ID if needed. Next, sign into the Apple ID that holds the active Apple Music subscription on the other iPhone. You'll need the password. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so devices can communicate, and turn on personal hotspot if both phones aren't on the same network. These steps ensure the subscription and iCloud music library are accessible to the second device. Now you authorize the second iPhone to use the subscription. Open Settings, go to Music, and toggle Sync Library on so your iCloud music library appears. Then open the Music app to confirm the subscription status. If it's active, your playlists, albums, and liked songs will start to populate. Choose specific albums or playlists and tap Download to save them for offline use. Make sure you accept any prompts to merge libraries or keep originals, because that determines whether playlists merge or stay separate. Finish by verifying playback and offline availability. Open a few tracks and test downloads. If music doesn't appear, restart the Music app and the iPhone. This often forces a resync. If problems persist, sign out of the Apple ID on the second phone and sign back in, then toggle Sync Library off and on to refresh the catalog. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see duplicates or missing tracks, reset Sync Library and check family sharing settings, or contact Apple support for subscriptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.